I'm not judging.
We are going to make fries. Ingredients list today was
4 potatoes.
4 potatoes. To taste, thyme and garlic powder. You don't want too much of garlic powder because that overpacks the fries. Little pinch of salt and
Vegetable oil. We're gonna wash maybe like 4 or 5 potatoes real quick.
you need a pan that is flat like this. So after you wash your potatoes, you want to go ahead and slice them. They're sort of more like wedges, honestly. See, like a good, nice wedge like this. Chef. Alrighty. On to my next potato. Remember, we're messing with knives, okay? These are gonna be like steak fries. Slices. Our spices are garlic, a little salt, and a little thyme.
Oh, watch it. For them to rescue me.
We're gonna go ahead and grease our pan. Just lay the potatoes on the board.
Cross it, and I'll get my hands in there.
Your sass is not needed.
Pumped.
I'm pumped too.
Oh, oregano. Whoa!